welcome to my channel. Did you know that you can make this familiar logo of Apple Watch activity ring with just 19 lines of code?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, now you do.
And now you will do with me too. If you want to get more hands-on and understand this code, please check out my tutorial video. From this point, we're going to make changes to variables and deviate from the original design.